Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to pan fry salmon. With the salmon I'm going to make some salad at the same time. For the salad I'm going to make some salad dressing as well. Let's see the ingredients what we need for the recipe. For the salmon I took here 500 gram salmon, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, quarter teaspoon turmeric, quarter teaspoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, salt to taste. For salad I took here 90 gram rocket and baby leaf, 200 grams salad cheese, 50 gram olives, 70 grams tomato, 30 grams peanuts, 20 grams shallots. For the salad dressing, half a teaspoon chili flakes, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, salt to taste. Let's see how I'm going to make this recipe. It's very easy and fast. Clean your fish and just lay on in a pan for within 2 minutes. Turn over and add your spices along with oil, and with a silicone brush I'm going to spread the spices to all over the place, and every single time I apply the oil from the pan and fully coat the paste. And turn the fish to the other side, and again I am spreading all the spices to the skin as well. I just kept the flame into low. And roughly 2 to 3 times I turn each side. Every time when I was turning, I start to spread the oil from the pan to the fish, and make sure keep your flame into low, then only it cooks inside properly. At the same time the fish will absorb all the flavors from the spices. It takes roughly 6 to 7 minutes of time. Once it cooked, I'll leave the fish on the pan and move on to my salad. In a large bowl I'm adding all my salad leaves and olives, tomatoes, onion, I have cut the Bolognese style, and salad cheese. Give it a good mix. In a small bowl I just adding the white vinegar along with the chili flakes, oil, honey and pinch of salt. Give it a good mix. In a separate pan I just add all the peanuts. I'm going to dry roast the peanut without any oil or butter. When it turns the golden brown color, I start to turn off. You don't need to skin off. This much is more than enough. In a big dish I'm going to lay out the salad along with the salad dressing, and you can spread the salad dressing top of that and again sprinkle with the peanuts. Top of that I'm going to lay out my fish. Finally my dish is done. You can see it's very quick and easy recipe and healthier version, and you can have it with rice or mashed potato. I hope you enjoy this recipe. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Until then, bye from Chef Fatima Chef Naz.